as I said, you ain't gonna spend anything. You can find anything at home. Anything. So there's always this one thing about myself, and that's constantly changing my setup. And not just my setup, literally changing the whole room. Anyways, welcome to my channel. This is Kiddlatized. Yeah, I'm a live streamer on Twitch, so if you follow me there, you can watch me live playing some games.
Right.
But you can also subscribe here and watch me talk about my streaming setup if that interests you. But obviously you're watching this video either you want to save money or actually trying to get something for free, which I'm not gonna disappoint because it is something for free, like $0 out of your pocket, money in your pocket kind of thing. Yeah, you like that? Anyways, no further ado, let's go straight to the point. If you haven't done so, as I said, subscribe now because this might be something that you actually will like. And if you like it, press the like button. And if you don't, press the disagree button or the dislike button. And you can even leave a comment, okay? Sweet. Now we're done and dusted with that kind of intro. In the next few minutes, you're gonna see me use an old track pants, sweatpants, whatever you want to call it, pants from my wife's cabinet. And I cut it out 2 legs to make good nice mini short shorts. And a cable management raceway, if that's what you're into, check it out. At the end of the day, I can give my missus or myself a nice pair of short shorts. See, now the table's flipped. I've got a raceway here, but I'm gonna take that off and I'm probably gonna put it somewhere on the other side, whatever, but check it out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use these nail things that I found in my drawers. So as I said, you ain't gonna spend anything. You can find anything at home. Anything. Okay, so as you can see, a bit OCD, so still wanna make it look good, you know what I mean? But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna nail it on the table and hopefully it works. And if you guys don't have any nails, not your fingernails, but these, man, you can find these at like your local hardware store for like dirt cheap, like $3, $1 AUD, I don't know in USD, but yeah. Sure, if you're under 18, well, if you're young, get an adult to help you hammer. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Alright, so after so many attempts and just, I don't know, here it is, starting to look like a room again. So I'm trying to do my corner style thing, got my shelves, and I just love how this is gonna look out, so stay tuned to that, guys. Whoa! Alright, the moment of truth. I've tried my best to cable tuck everything, but you know what I mean, we are in a budget, so we don't have the luxury of buying, well, literally didn't bought anything. So everything that I have set up here is all what I have here in my drawers and toolboxes. So guys, check it out. This is the new setup, guys, for my streams. So check it out, guys. Kiddlatized on twitch.tv. So here we go. Well, I hope somehow this video helped you out or eased up your pockets, your spending pockets, and kept your money in there in setting up your next gaming streaming setup for 2021. Yeah. And if this video helped in some way, somehow, don't hesitate to press the like, and if you've done so, might as well press the subscribe button, because might as well, I know you like me. And if you have any questions, just throw me a comment on the comment section below, or if you wanna chat live, just check out my Twitch channel right here, Kiddlatized. But as for now, this will conclude the video, and I hope to see you on the next video. So bye bye, yeah.